coconut chocolate chip macaroons. We will need chocolate chips. We'll need dipped chocolate. We will need sweetened condensed milk. We need vanilla and coconut flakes. You'll need to preheat the oven 350 degrees. We're going to put all the coconut flakes inside. We'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Whoa.
We'll need half a can of sweetened condensed milk. You'll need 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now you're going to scoop them and then put them on your cookie pan.
Mommy, I love them.
Now we're going to bake them in the oven for 15 minutes. They're out of the oven and now let them cool. Once you melt your chocolate, then dip them into it.